Today we're going to do a fun movement called Fisherman Throws the Net. This movement is great for coordinating the body and the mind. Just like the movement that I showed you in the series called Searching for a Needle at the Bottom of the Sea, it's great for strengthening the waist and the legs. So if you're looking to tone those areas, it's definitely worth giving this one a try. And as an added bonus, it also supports the eyes. So if you're feeling any eye strain, this is a great way to get the chi flowing there. Let's get coordinated. Try this with me. This movement starts with the feet parallel, about shoulder width apart. The arms extended to the left. The palms are going to face away from you. So as you inhale, you're going to imagine that you're inside of a big balloon and that your hands are just touching the inside of that balloon as you come across. And as you reach the other side, the hands are going to turn to face away from you again. My right knee is bent, left knee is straight. Then I'm going to inhale, come back the other way, touching the inside of the balloon, and exhale, sink down as I come across the other way. Inhale, come across, watching your hands as they move from one side to the other, sink and turn to the other side. Slowly extending the leg and waving the arms back and forth inside of the balloon, or imagining that you're throwing a net to catch your fish. And when you finish 3 times on each side, you can close.